Allô?
Bonjour Colette, c'est Jean.
Jean, espèce de salaud. Tu devais m'appeler il y a 2 jours, j'ai cru que tu étais mort.
Jamais, mon amour, jamais, je te promets. Alors tout va bien?
Il y a eu un autre raid aérien hier. On a constamment des coupures d'électricité.
Salauds soviétiques. Mais bientôt on sera débarrassé d'eux.
Nous avons fait beaucoup de progrès avec les Américains.
Alors, vous gagnez?
Oh oui, oh, le colonel américain. C'est un vrai salopard. Ses plans de bataille sont complètement farfelus. Mais ça marche.
J'ai rêvé que tu étais mort l'autre nuit. Je me suis réveillée en pleurant.
S'il te plaît, calme-toi mon amour. Je serai de retour très bientôt. Nous irons sur le balcon pour discuter.
Jusqu'à ce que le soleil se couche. Et ensuite, on verra.
Tu retourneras auprès de ta femme?
Oh, allons, mais enfin... Ma femme m'effraie bien plus que les rouges. Mais je m'occuperai de ça aussi.
Sois prudent, d'accord?
Allez, ne t'inquiète pas. Nous nous battrons demain, mais je t'appelle dès que c'est fini. Je t'aime mon amour.
The Russians proved to be tough adversaries, giving ground only when they absolutely had to and making sure we paid a high price for every yard we gained. But after a few days, a gap opened in the Soviet lines and Colonel Sawyer ordered several companies through. The Soviet headquarters had been found, and we were to destroy it as swiftly as possible. If we succeeded, the Soviet defenses would collapse and France would be liberated, but if we failed, we would be cut off from the main force and annihilated. It was a daring move, typical of the Colonel. Always aim for a killing blow, everything else is a waste of time and energy, he said to us once, and that motto seemed to permeate all his decisions. He was always certain, but the world was not. One uncertainty was Captain Bannon, who was acting like a loose cannon. We all wondered what it would take to bring him to heel.
We'll move our vanguard across that bridge.
Those bastards would be well fortified.
Oh, yes. I've ordered an artillery barrage to commence shortly. It should shake them up some.
No quarter should be given. I want these locusts gone from my country.
After today, they will be, Commandant. Parker, I want you to lead the attack. Bannon will be in reserve.
Reserve? Sir, my company should form the spearhead.
Your tanks will be needed soon enough, Captain.
But sir, we might miss the battle!
Is this about fame and glory, Captain?
No.
You'll find none of that here. Now go brief your men.
Yes, sir.
That's our cue, Parker. Get your unit. Jump off in 10. Parker, as soon as the barrage ends, I want you to attack. Move up through the town and strike at the command post by the church.
We do not have long before our main offensive begins, Colonel.
He's right, Parker. We need to cut off the head of the snake before the offensive is launched, and time is scarce. I'm counting on you. Do this right, and we'll save a lot of NATO lives. And Parker, I'm sure I don't need to tell you this, but those narrow streets would suit your infantry real well. Tanks will have a hard time maneuvering. The cavalry has lent us some helo support. They can help us spot ambushes and find other hidden enemies. But they don't carry much armament, so be careful with where you send them. Launch your assault now, Lieutenant. Start by securing those bridges. Bannon, leave a platoon here to help defend those bridges once Parker has captured them. The rest of your force is to provide security for Commandant Sabatier as he flanks around to the south.
Sir, can't the Commandant manage his own security? My company could support Parker instead.
Don't argue with me, Bannon. Your heavy tanks will be sitting ducks on those narrow streets. Now move out!
And do not forget the church, Colonel.
Okay, try not to damage the church, Parker. It's apparently very old and has some cultural value to our allies.
It was built in the 12th century. Vous n'avez donc aucune culture.
Well, you heard the Commandant. But don't hesitate to blast the damn thing if it stands in the way of your objective. Eagle 6 out. Parker, deal with those mortars up on the hill. We have some airborne units standing by you could call in. Eagle 6 out.
Destroyed. Chief, acknowledging.
I'm armed and inbound. Let's grab some tanks. Over.
Scout, moving into attack.
Get away from that tank! Need more armor piercing. We're rolling in. Over. They are taking us.
Coming down. Going, leaving. We've got a lock. Fire.
We're ready with the shoulder launcher. Hostile destroyed. Enemy down.
Acknowledged.
Give us a start. Go! Reach that. Get it. Move into the building. Get to the position, people. We will occupy that behind.
I see dead and wounded on the ground. Weapons hit. Goes down.
Enemies leaving. Just engage now. We need a command. Go.
I will. Yes. Move. Commencing repairs. Just start the repairs. Transport here. What now? We on. Move. Driving.
Hostile armor neutral. Perimeter control. Roll out. Armor's not driving.
Defeated, Commander.
Armor here, Commander.
Yabel. We will try. Yes.
Armor's clear of drive.
Heading for the coordinates. Weapons are hot. Goes down.
Sir, fortification removed.
Acknowledged. Mission received. Heading for the target area. They are attacking us. Heading for the coordinates. Weapons are hot. Goes down.
Yes, sir. Do you need some armor? Ready.
The hostiles got hit by that one.
Rolling
Goes
out.
down.
Driving.
Goes here. Mission accomplished. The attack was a success. Out.
Armor's compromised.
Needed troop transport, Commodore.
Armor's compromised. Repair that armor.
We're ready with the shoulder. Get to the position quick. Securing, get inside and clear that building. Set up in that building. Starting to run. Want a sniper?
Kill that infantry.
Acknowledged. Mission received. Heading for the target area.
Scout landing vehicle. Do you need a
I see dead and wounded on the ground. Weapons hit. Goes down.
Maintain altitude and target that enemy and fire. Target tank destroyed.
Unloaded with a bunker buster and heading for the target. Over.
Well done, Parker. Bannon's company will defend those bridges while you continue toward the church.
Target neutralized.
Handle here. Bomb away. Returning to base. Out.
Parker, we need to clear out the town. You'll have to move fast, but be careful. Call in fire support if needed. Eagle 6 out.
Our chief will move. Going, leaving.
Parker, the artillery needs to be dealt with. Capture or destroy it. I'm calling in an airstrike to clear the way for you. Eagle 6 out.
We are moving. Enemy destroyed.
We're ready with the transport. Repair him quickly. Fixing the problems right now. Commencing repairs. Troop transport here. We will get him in gas. Fixing the problems right now.
We took out an enemy, sir.
we defeated that enemy.
We can acknowledge moving. Will.
Captain Bannon, are you covering the right flank? I think I saw some movement there.
Yeah, I'm looking and there's nothing there. Not a damn thing.
Are you sure, Captain?
Yes, Commandant, I'm sure. No wonder you people can't defend your own country. You keep jumping at shadows. That's enough, Bannon. Focus on the mission and stay off the radio if you don't have anything important to report.
I'm armed and inbound. Let's grab some tanks. Over.
Here, flying to the destination. Cruise speed moving. Move copy. We'll copy.
That's one less rocket launcher, Parker. Carry on.
Armor is ready to go. Sir, we're on the way. Try moving. Roll. Ready, sir. Yes, armor. Acknowledged. We got the target.
First one down, Parker. Keep moving.
Roger the air. Enemy spotted. Attacking. We're moving.
Acknowledged. Mission received.
Flying to the
Heading for the
destination.
target area.
Took out the target. Deploy changing Wilco.
We took down
Scout
that enemy.
helicopter moving out.
Those mortars won't bother us anymore, Parker. Well done.
Great going, lads. Keep it up. Chief, heading for the coordinates. Armored drive target.
Rockets are loaded and ready.
Flying there now.
We're ready with the shoulder launchers.
Admiral here. I'm inbound for bomb delivery. Out. Troop treads fixing the problems. We will keep fixing the commencing repairs. Payload doctor, provide the coordinates.
Medium tank reporting. Armor is ready to go. Sir, right, roll out. Driving, move. We can fly wheel copy. Bloody hell, we're engaged! Want us to evade and activate the fast infantry. Engage the scanners. Can I do something for you? Roger. We need to take out that hostile.
They are attacking us!
Another strong point cleared, Parker. Commandant Sabatier, what's your status?
We're close to the second waypoint and haven't seen the enemy yet, Colonel.
Eagle 6, this is Bannon. Nothing's happening here, sir. Request permission to support the attack on the town. Over. Denied, Bannon. Stay with the Commandant. Eagle 6 out. Parker, in their infinite wisdom, Division Command has decided that the airborne assets are needed elsewhere. I tried to argue, but they wouldn't listen. You can't call on them any longer. Eagle 6 out.
We took out the target.
Transport's moving now! Repair him quickly!
We're taking heavy fire. Acknowledge, we've got a lock. Fire! Ready, engaged.
What should we do? Catch up that guy! Troop transport, start the repairs! Heavy fire! Look out! Troop transport's rolling. What? Repair him quickly!
They've got one of your units.
Vehicle reporting in.
Chieftain requesting a command. Enemy spotted. Firing with phosphorus. Firing with phosphorus. Range of tank, door lock. Conceal us and smoke. Yeah,
target!
Target defeated. We're taking enemy fire. Camera activated. Evade and drop the flares. Sure. No way. Can't do, not, no way. Can't, no way, not, no way. Recon, roger, flashing.
Gibbon, troop track push, fixing the problems right now. Commencing, fixing the problems right. We will get him in shape. Troop transport available.
Armor driving to the position. Hostile locked and the gun is low. Killed an enemy in the target. You are driving.
Need some coordinates to receive. Pushing the fixing the problems right now.
Ready.
We defeated that enemy.
Needed troops are driving out now. We are moving. Who's moving? Heavy fire, look out!
Need a light tank. Do you need some
Our
armor?
vehicle commencing repairs. We will get him in shape. Troop transport of it. Fixing the problems right now. Commencing repairs. Needed troop. We will get him in shape. Fixing the problems right now.
Armor's compromised.
We got that tank.
Affirmative. I'm coming in. Inquisitor out.
Yes, driving to the position. Armor, good drive.
We can scout. We got the target. We got that soldier.
Halfway there, Parker.
Where'd you need heading for the coordinator? Going.
You've almost cleared the entire town, Parker. There can't be many of those bastards left.
That building is the target.
We hit that building. Good.
Incoming fire.
Turn quickly. Drive. We're on the move. Affirmative.
The sky is hot. Give us a command. We're going. Dropping countermeasures.
Need a big patch up that guy. Not possible.
Armor, we're rolling. Armor is
Heavy
moved.
fire. Look out. We're red patch up that guy. Come quick. Affirmative. Give it.
Fortification is gone.
We're watching the
Evade that fire.
We killed that
Taking fire at the target. Evade that fire.
Heading for the coordinates. Weapons are hot. Goes down.
Chieftain requesting a
We're
command.
on the move. Repair him. Patch up that guy. Commencing repairs. Heavy fire. Look out. That run is finished. Radio needs to get another pass. Goes down.
Hostile destroyed. Sir, medium armor here. Engage now.
Just give us some orders.
Now Scorpions at your service. We need... Yeah, going. tank. We'll move right now, sir.
Let's start the repairs. We are here, Commodore.
Hostiles in the building, they'll hit hard.
Lead, go. Patch up, go.
You got casualties.
Sir, take out that hostile. Target defeated.
The town has been secured and Ivan is on the run. We'll end this soon enough.
Target destroyed, Commandant.
Yabel, we will get him fixing the problems right now.
Yes, acknowledged. Moving. No, Chieftain is enemy engaged. Do you know stop?
We can't confirm that order.
Moving, drive.
Flying to the destination. Sensors are scanning the target zone.
I'm loaded with a bunker buster and heading for the target.
Hostile armor pierced. We've disabled that enemy.
Bomb away. Returning to base. Out.
Helicopter, take out that hostile.
Armor here, Commander. Medium armor attacking the enemy. Moving forward, little faster, lad. Where do you want us? We need to get to the gang.
Need this acknowledged vehicle. Where to go with me?
Ghost here. I'm armed and inbound. Let's grab some tanks. Over. Need a vehicle. We'll repair him. Quick, start the repairs. Mission completed. I've strafed the area. Ghost out. Troop train commencing. We will be commencing repairs.
Armor's combat ready. I'll drive.
Nice hit on those soldiers.
Medium tank reporting. Driving to the position. Army, I'm going. Leaving.
Need it. Patch up then. Start the repairs. That's a confirmed kill. Cognac inbound with napalm. Clear the strike zone.
Eagle 6, we just spotted an enemy column moving toward the bridges. They're too far away for us to engage.
It's a counterattack. Deal with it, Parker. Those bridges must not fall.
This is Bannon. I'm moving toward the bridges now.
Negative, Bannon. How many times do I have to tell you? You stay with the Commandant. Do you read me? Over.
The Commandant is doing fine, sir. My lead elements are almost at the bridges already.
Bannon, turn around and return to the Commandant. Bannon, come in. God damn it, hold those bridges, Parker.
Unit lost.
Chieftain requesting a command. Can we do something else? Take out that shoot! Enemy neutralized. Chieftain's engaging. We're taking heavy fire here. We're taking heavy fire here.
bastards! Cannon, you goddamn cowboy! You are to return to the Commandant!
Eagle 6, come in! They're all around us! Merde! It's an ambush! Mais on est perdu! C'est la...
Commandant, come in! Bannon, get back to the Commandant at once! That's a direct order!
Yes, sir! Moving there now!
Another excellent job, Parker. The main offensive will start within the hour, and thanks to you, they'll face an uncoordinated rabble. Good to see you managed to save the church as well. Eagle 6 out.